know that despite the crowded and competitive graphic design market, it is possible to make a lot of money as a graphic designer? I'm going to share with you opportunities that most graphic designers have not yet seen, from opportunities here in Africa all the way to the global stage, so you can become a part of the top 1% who are making it big as graphic designers. Ready? Let's dive in. It's about time you sell your services to businesses and not individuals. This is because businesses pay more than individuals. You can do this in two ways. I call one free method and the other paid method. The free method means approach businesses or do your own research on a particular business and see what they fall short in the field of graphic design. Make sure the problem is something that can increase their profits. Help them solve that problem for free. Yes, for free. If they see the results of your work, as in how their profits will increase. Some businesses will hire you to do more for them. Others will also just appreciate you. In a situation where they just appreciate you, ask them if they are willing to tell others how you help them. This will earn you a referral. That is, a business who may be suffering from a similar problem, and this business will pay you for that. It does not end there. You have to approach another business, and this time around, tell them how you helped the previous business increase their profits with your service. They will be willing to work with you, not for free, but for a fee. And with the paid method, you just have to organize your portfolio, cover letter, CV, and start applying for positions in businesses. With these two methods, I prefer the free method. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section. Creating and selling digital products is also another way you can make more money as a graphic designer. Whatever niche you have specialized in, you can create templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Envato Elements, Seller, and others. If you are in Ghana, Nigeria, or any other African country, Seller is your best choice. It helps you to sell your digital products effortlessly with less service fees. By the way, this video was not sponsored by Seller, but that is what I've been using to sell my digital products here in Ghana. One cool aspect is that you can create one product and sell it on all the platforms that are available in your country, and that will maximize your profit. But you know that this time around, many individuals want to learn graphic design without going to college to learn that. So this is the best time to start teaching and mentoring individuals who want to become graphic designers. This can be done in two ways. First is to create a course, of which we all know, and the second is to create a community for your students where you teach them daily, weekly, or monthly depending on your schedule. With this community method, you can charge monthly or make it a one-time payment, but I recommend monthly payments if and only if you have a consistent schedule where you can show up at least twice every week to teach them something. This is because if you are unable to teach your students consistently, most of them will get out of the monthly subscription, and if you can't afford to show up weekly to teach your students, then you can go for the one-time payment. One advantage about the community method of learning is that your students get updated as soon as possible, unlike the recorded and uploaded courses, and also you are always with them, so they can ask any question that may be bothering them and get answers as soon as possible. If you are confused about how you can use the community method, let me know in the comment section so that I create a full video on that for you. But there's one thing that can also generate more money for you, and that is a YouTube channel. With all the knowledge that you have acquired about graphic design, you can create a YouTube channel and share that knowledge with others. YouTube channel can help you in various ways. You can get clients from there, you can sell courses and templates to your subscribers, you can sell design related products through affiliate links, and you can also earn ad revenue and much more. Talking about graphic designers who are making it big with YouTube, I don't want to talk about those abroad like Satori Graphics, Bob Patterson, Abiconic, and others. I want to use our fellow Africans for this example. Designers like Vincent K. Boateng, Dennis Creative, Kata Studios, and many others are making it big with YouTube here in Africa as graphic designers, and you can also do same or even better. But if you are confused and don't know what you are doing as a graphic designer, this video right here will teach you how you can be good as a graphic designer, so you can apply the methods shared in this video to make more money. But until next time guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.